Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. Hope you're doing well, everybody. We are listening to Rod Waves, Iran. Like the country, but not really. So, Iran, let's go into this one. And we don't use any capo for this. We're just gonna use 4 chords and that's it. So, let's go right into the chords, starting here with the D. Okay, so that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have the B minor next. That's a bar chord where you play the bar on the second fret and you cover 5 strings if you count from the bottom and up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, 3rd on B. We have G as well. And that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. And the final chord is A. And that will be open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. All right, so let's start from the beginning and go over the chord progression here. It will be the same chord progression to start with, and that will just roll and roll and roll to the end of the song. All right, so let's start from D. You're gonna play down, up, clap, down, like this. Down, up, clap, down. Okay, then you shift chord to B minor and play just down, clap. And that's it. So, down, up, clap, down, down, clap. And then you go over to G and play in the same way as you play D, down, up, clap, down. And then you go to A and play in the same way as you play the B minor down clap, okay? So G to A in the same way. Okay, so we're about halfway now. So far we learned D, B minor, G, and A like this. Okay, then you have the B minor. You're gonna play down, up, clap, down. And then you shift to A and play in the same way, down, up, clap, down. So you're gonna start with that first. So B minor, 1, and A, 1. And then you go to the final chord, G, and you're gonna play down, up, clap, down, in the same way as you play the B minor and A, but then you have a short pause and play down, clap. So down, up, clap, down, clap on the last G chord. And that ends one round. So that's it. You're gonna play from D to B minor to G and A, and then B minor, A, and G. I'm gonna take you through this very slowly, one round, and then I'm gonna speed up to standard tempo and give you a couple of rounds so you hear how it sounds. Let's go. All right, boys. I fell asleep there in the second to last round, but anyway, I think you understand. Rod Waves, Iran, great song. So hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.